Mohammad Salim Khan, a 72-year-old peasant, has been working at small land holdings around these dams. He says that due to no rainfall, the ground has become infertile. The cracking sound of his bones is louder than the shovel when he tries to plow the land for cultivation. He says that if the water in the dams is provided to the small farmers, there would be enough growth of fruits and vegetables to meet the needs of the twin cities.
बाग 200 कैरेट करेगा, ब्याह 2 ट्रक माल करेगा। एक आदमी 20 मन कणक हो गया, पानी पहुंचेगा, अगर 100 मन हो गया। अगर हुकूमत ने बिल्कुल बेपरवाह है, हुकूमत बिल्कुल खर्चा न करेगा। ज़मीन बहुत खराब ज़मीन है, अगर डैम भी है, पानी भी है, हुकूमत सिर्फ पैप न लगाएगा। हुकूमत खर्चे थोड़ा ज़रूरत है। क्यों मालिकान कमज़ोर है, मालिक पर इतना सरमाया किधर है, जितना पीपू ने लगाएगा, इतना डिग्री बनाएगा, इतना सीमेंट आएगा। 10-12 गरीब एक एक ज़मीन मालिक से गुजारा हो गया, गरीब बम पके रोज़गार हम मिलेगा।
It is not just Salim Khan who is the complainant of the wastage of these small dams. Fazal is a resident of village Farash. He comes to the dam for fishing every week, but his weekly catch is also suffering. He complains and blames the local authorities for the negligence and lack of interest in the cleaning of the dams.
बस पहले मिलती थी, अब पानी में बहुत यानी कि गंदा पानी शामिल होने लग गया है। कोई इधर इंतज़ाम नहीं है। इनको चाहिए इसको वसी करें, थोड़ा सा इसकी देखभाल करें, फिर ही लोग एंजॉय के लिए आएंगे।
Since the inception of CDA, there have been a series of impulsive reshuffling of the master plan with each new administration. And the land reserved for dairy, poultry, livestock, farms and crops has been gambled away to an assortment of land grabbers, real estate speculators and property sharks who, in cahoots with successive administrations, have steadily grabbed and plundered lands at throwaway prices. This dam is in proper operative condition, but the farmers here have lost all motivation as they do not have permission from relevant authorities to use this water. And now they prefer to sell their farmlands to property dealers. The water famine in the country has also evoked response from the World Bank, which also fathered the Indus Waters Treaty between India and Pakistan in 1960. But alarmingly, the treaty has been adhered to more in its breach. It was a total sellout. The government needs to think, as this shortage can be a bigger threat than a war with its neighbor.
कश्मीर दी साड़ी जंग कोई ऐन सिर्फ एक जंग नहीं, एक गल नहीं कि जमीन दी गल है, गल ये है कि उत्थे साड़ी पानी दा ही मसला है। कल दा असा आने वाला पीपला जड़ा है, तुहाडे बच्चे जड़े ने, बच्चों दे बच्चे जड़े ने, उन्हां नूं पानी दा मसला होना है। इस कर मैं डैम बनांदा फिरदा पूरे पाकिस्तान में जाना, डैम बनांदा कि तुहाडे आने वाली नस्लां नूं कोई तकलीफ ना होवे।
Kalabagh Dam, the kingpin of the Indus Waters Treaty, was politicized and is now history. And even as its fate hangs in balance, the only way to prevent a catastrophic disaster is a proliferation of small dams across the country. Astonishingly, a huge white elephant in the shape of a small dam establishment manned by dozens of engineers and related personnel exists.
लाइव सर हमारे काफ़ी है, हमारे ये हमारा सर्कल ऑफिस है, ये डायरेक्टरेट ऑफिस है। अच्छा, एक डिवीजन हमारा चकवाल में, एक जेलम में और 2 डिवीजन इधर है इस्लामाबाद में, 4 डिवीजन, 8 डिवीजन के आगे 4 सब डिवीजन है। काफ़ी बड़ा सेक्टर है, ये पूरा जो रावलपिंडी डिवीजन है, डिवीजन यानी इसमें 5 डिस्ट्रिक्ट आते हैं।
When the Dawn investigative team questioned the officials, they completely reacted more or less like Alice in Wonderland, denying any knowledge of the 2 storages in question.
नाम की हमारे कोई डैम नहीं है, स्मॉल डैम होते हैं।
स्मॉल डैम जबानी डैम उसको कहते हैं।
नहीं सर, वो हमारे अंदर नहीं है, वो छोटे कोई मिनी डैम होंगे, वो या उसको सीडीए कर रहा होगा, हाँ, या कोई और एजेंसी कर रही होगी।
It seems it is now perhaps too late to salvage these vandalized dams. Experts say, in accordance with international best practices, immediate legislation and stringent rules need to be enacted to prevent vested interests from building their pleasure houses at least within a mile of the new dams which the government intends to build.
We can review the policy. We can revisit the policy.
Unless the prospective dam sites are strictly designated as reserved areas for parks to be cultivated by peasants and local farmers, their fate may be similar to the two dammed dams in the capital.